Well, that segues nicely into this next story about an all-electric supercar, the Nevera, by the Croatian electric car company Rimac.
This used to be called the C2 when it was in development, but now that it's entering into production, Rimac has named it the Nevera. Let's look at the stats.
Okay, so the Model S Plaid was 1,020 horsepower. This is 1,914 horsepower, almost double the horsepower.
It has a 258 mile an hour top speed, a price of 2 million euros for the 150 that they will be making in Croatia,
A 0 to 60 time of 1.85 seconds.
an 8.6 second quarter mile, according to Rimac.
And it uses 12 ultrasonics, 13 cameras, 6 radars, and the Pegasus NVIDIA operating system. So the Nevera will have the world's first AI driving coach. Rimac says the Rimac driving coach adds an additional immersive experience behind the wheel. The system overlays selected race circuits in real time, offering clear and precise audio and visual guidance to enable drivers to perfect their racing lines, braking and acceleration points, and steering inputs. So does this mean that, like, it's going to help you drive better?
I think it's going to be kind of like in a video game where it's like showing you where the racing line is, probably through like a HUD, and it'll show you like when to accelerate, when to brake.
Wow.
That could be a pretty cool like trainer to a certain extent. Really cool. And that feature should be coming out in 2022 with an over-the-air software update.
Now, the name Nevera comes from what Croatian locals call a quick, unexpected, mighty Mediterranean storm that races across the open sea.
On Patreon bonus stories, we're going to be showing the Nevera going head-to-head with a Ferrari SF90 to see who wins the quarter mile. I'm sure you can't guess what would happen, but I just want to talk about Rimac for a second. We heard about them a while ago, and I was skeptical. I was like, oh, I don't know. You know, it was out of Croatia, and I was like, well, I've never heard of a car being made in Croatia before. And it was like, everything just seemed so far away, like both in time and in space. Like, it just didn't seem like it was ever going to come to fruition. But I've only heard good things. So I'm pretty excited about Rimac.
Yeah, it's an all-electric car company, and I mean, smart of them to be sticking to supercars to begin with. You get a lot of money for every car that you make, and I mean, that's their passion. They want to build cars that are unbelievable.
Well, we're going to talk about this more in the Patreon bonus story.
Hey everybody, thanks so much for watching Now You Know Clips.
You can watch full episodes of Tesla Time News on Mondays and in-depths on Fridays. Just click the link down below to head over to the Now You Know channel.